Welcome to Shiny Sprouts. Today we have a fun story about a little girl named Meera who loved drawing, but had a habit of wasting paper. Kids, do you know where paper comes from? And why we should not waste it? Let's watch and learn from a short story, The Paper Adventure, how a little girl learns not to waste paper. And at the end, get ready for a fun quiz. Let's begin. Short story for kids. The Paper Adventure. This is Meera. She loves drawing. But you know what? She always scribbles and throws away paper without using it fully. One day, while she was drawing, her room became full of paper balls. Paper here, paper there, everywhere. Seeing this, her mother thought of teaching her an important lesson. She gently asked, "Meera, do you know where paper comes from?" Meera smiled and said, "From the shop." Her mother laughed softly and said, "No, dear, paper comes from trees." Meera was surprised. "Trees? Really?" "Yes," her mother said. "Paper is made from wood, and wood comes from trees. That means every paper you use comes from nature." Meera looked at the paper in her hand, feeling curious. Her mother continued, "First, trees are cut and the wood is collected. Then the wood is cut into small pieces." Meera listened carefully and then asked, "So, can we make paper from the tree in our garden?" Her mother smiled and said, "No, dear, not all trees are used to make paper. Paper is usually made from special softwood trees like pine, fir and bamboo trees. These trees are chosen because their wood is soft and easy to turn into pulp." She continued, "Most of these trees grow in cool places. But bamboo is special, it grows in warm sunshine." Meera nodded, now understanding a little more. Her mother then said, "After cutting the wood into small pieces, they are mixed with water and crushed into a soft paste called pulp. Then the pulp is spread flat, pressed into thin sheets, and dried. And finally, we get the paper you use every day." How paper is made. Step 1. Workers cut trees and take the wood. Step 2. The wood is cut into small pieces called chips. Step 3. The chips are mixed with water and crushed into a soft paste. This paste is called pulp. Step 4. The pulp is spread flat and pressed into thin sheets. Step 5. The sheets are dried and rolled. Step 6. Finally, we get the paper we use every day. Meera looked out of the window at the trees and then back at the paper. "So, I was wasting trees?" she asked softly. Her mother nodded and said, "Yes, dear. That's why we should use paper carefully." From that day, Meera changed her habit. She started using both sides of the paper and stopped wasting it. Now, Meera draws beautiful pictures and also helps save trees. Fun quiz time. 1. Where does paper come from? A. Plastic. B. Trees. C. Metal. And the right answer is trees. 2. Which part of the tree is used to make paper? A. Leaves. B. Flowers. C. Wood. And the right answer is wood. 3. What is the soft paste used to make paper called? A. Juice. B. Pulp. C. Dough. And the right answer is pulp. 4. What should we do to save paper? A. Throw it away. B. Use both sides. C. Tear it for fun. And the right answer is use both sides. 5. Why should we not waste paper? A. Because there are plenty of trees. B. Because it is easy to make. C. Because it protects nature. And the right answer is because it protects nature. 6. Which trees are used to make paper? A. Apple tree. B. Mango tree. C. Pine, fir and bamboo trees. And the right answer is pine, fir and bamboo trees. Kids, takeaway. Remember, saving paper means saving trees and protecting our earth. Small changes can protect big trees. Use paper wisely. Thanks for watching. Hope you learn to save paper, protect trees, and help keep our earth happy. Kindly subscribe to Shiny Sprouts channel. Like and share the video.